So if you're here in Naiya 3, if you want to find the ride hailing, ng mga services like Grab, Super Taxi, Joyride. So they're located here, in this area. So paglabas mo doon, sa arrival hall, you turn right. Turn right. Then dito sa area na under construction, as of today, you go here. 15 minutes pa daw magdating yung taxi namin. So this area, ito yung station nila. Yung Grab station. So pwede ka magpa-book sa kanila or mag-book ka na rin. Then they have yung Super Taxi din pala sa dito, katabi. So Grab is green. Then Super Taxi is blue. Okay? So yung car namin is arriving in 15 minutes, baka maging 10 minutes na lang siya. Going there tayo. Na area. Dahan-dahan na kami. Siguro by 10 minutes dating na siya. So ito yung improvement. Matagal naman to, but we're just documenting it. Marami namang directional signs, if you want to book yung Grab. So Grab is here. Naka-marker siya pala, nakabilang, ganda, So parang 10 to 13 ka, 8 doon tayo may 10 doon na area. Then may upuan ka rin dito, sa waiting area. You can wait. So hindi ka na makapag-compete doon sa yung volume ng other passengers. Okay, so from A9 to A21 itong area. Kaya matagal pala because of yung pila ng mga cars. So again, yung Grab parang A9 going A21. Puro to mga Grab. Okay, then what is best is kung matagal, mayroong upuan. You can sit, take your time while waiting. Medyo better nga yun kasi dati paglabas mo, you have some issues, naka-join ka sa mga other passengers, and they have also maganda din to, priority seating. Sa dating setup ko lang ganito doon lalabas ka lang, hanap ka ng maupuan. Here they have seats. Okay, doon kami sa A10, A10 area. Tingnan natin. Innova yon. We book an Innova. Okay, sa dulo. Maganda rin. They have industrial fan here, for ventilation. Magandang innovation to,